Welcome to Module 4, your simple owner's guide. So far, we've explored how EV and hybrid batteries work. We busted the biggest myths and we looked into the future of battery technology. Now it's time to get practical. In this module, I'll share everyday habits to extend your battery's life, what to check before buying a used EV, the best charging strategies, and even some simple maintenance tips most people overlook. By the end, you'll have a clear checklist you can use right away for peace of mind, lower costs, and a longer lasting battery. Let's start with the golden habits that keep your battery healthy. First, avoid the extremes. Don't let your car sit at 0% for long periods. And don't keep it at 100% all the time. The sweet spot is between 20 and 80%. Think of it as the comfort zone for your battery. Second, watch the weather. Extreme heat and cold are tough on batteries. In summer, park in the shade when you can. In winter, try to keep the car plugged in so the battery stays warm. Third, drive smooth. Aggressive acceleration and constant hard braking use more energy and create more stress. Gentle driving isn't just safer, it also helps your battery live longer. Real world example. Fleet operations like taxi and ride sharing companies have proven that cars treated with these simple habits keep 90% of their battery capacity even after years on the road. If you are thinking of buying used EV or hybrid, the battery is the single most important part to inspect. And here are the three things to check. First one, battery health report. Most EVs can generate a state of health report. This tells you how much capacity the battery has left compared to new. Second, real world range. Don't just trust the official numbers. Take the car for a test drive and check how far it really goes on a charge. Third, warranty status. Many EV batteries are covered by 8-year or 100,000 mile warranty. If the car is still under warranty, that's extra peace of mind. But if you are unsure, ask a certified EV mechanic to inspect it for you. Spending a little on a checkup can save you thousands later. Now let's talk about everyday charging habits that make the biggest difference. So, first, daily life, slow charging, often called level 2 charging, is your best friend. It's gentler, generates less heat, and is much cheaper than fast charging. Use fast charging strategically, as we said before, not as your daily routine. Save it for road trips or when you are in a hurry. Set your charging limit. Most cars allow you to stop charging automatically at 80% and use this feature. It's one of the simplest ways to add years of life to your battery. And finally, use timers. Many EVs let you schedule charging to finish just before you leave in the morning. That way, the battery sits less time at a high state of charge and you save money by charging at off peak hours. EV batteries require far less maintenance than engines, but there are still few things you can do. Keep your software updated. Automakers often release battery management updates that improve charging efficiency and even safety. Check your tires regularly. Under inflated tires make your car less efficient, meaning the battery works harder. If your EV has a liquid cooling system, make sure that the coolant is serviced as recommended. Just like in a laptop or phone, keep the battery cool is key. And finally, if you are leaving the car unused for weeks, store it at around 50 to 60% charge. And if possible, keep it plugged in. That way, the battery stays in a safe zone without draining. So let's recap the owner's guide. Keep your battery between 20 and 80% for daily use. If buying used, always check the battery health, range, and warranty. Make slow charging your routine and save fast charging for special occasions. Don't forget basic care, software updates, tire checks, and battery cooling. The bottom line, EV and hybrid batteries are resilient. If you care for them, they will last for years. Now it's your turn. Complete the short quiz to earn your certificate of completion and one CPD hour. You'll also receive our battery care checklist PDF. And if you are ready to take the next step, join us for the next gen battery storage blueprint, where we dive deeper into advanced strategies, return on investment, and future of energy storage. In any case, subscribe for many interesting subjects and visit our webpage greenexecutivesacademy.com. See you there.